How's it guys? Welcome back. I'm Macon Campbell and this is maconSTUFF. So a couple of weeks ago I built this wooden karambit and I posted it on my Facebook, and someone sent me a picture of a karambit that someone made out of a table saw blade. But in that particular one they incorporated the teeth of the actual saw blade on the outer curve of the karambit, and I actually used the table saw blade to make a mini katana. So that got me thinking, the purpose of a weapon is to inflict damage, and those teeth just by themselves, I'm sure can inflict quite a bit of damage. So a table saw blade in itself is a pretty devastating weapon. So I set out to try and come up with a weapon that incorporates the teeth of the blade instead of sharpening it like a traditional blade. So this morning I quickly took a piece of MDF, traced out the kind of shape that I was looking for, and this is sort of what I've come up with. Two weapons that can be held in each hand. It's going to look something like this. I think that's going to be an awesome weapon. So let's get started. And we're done. What an awesome learning experience it's been. Are they perfect? No. Could they be prettier? Yes. Could I have done more hand sanding? Yes. But as a wise person once said, one day just before you're about to die, no one's ever going to look back on their life and think, man, I wish I did more hand sanding. It was really tough at times. This project even claimed the life of my trusty Dremel, which I've been using for the last year. It was a normal Dremel 3000 with a flexi hose. So as a result, I had to sell one of my kidneys to buy the biggest, baddest Dremel ever made, which is the Dremel 9100. And hopefully this sees me not having to buy a Dremel for the rest of my life. But be that as it may, this was an awesome project. I really love doing it. I'm still sort of on the fence about what I'm going to call these and what I'm even going to do with them. I'll probably just have them on display here in my workshop somewhere. But at least I'll be sorted if one day a zombie apocalypse breaks out. So if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of these kind of projects, please subscribe. So till next time, keep making stuff.